Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today my recipe is delicious, refreshing strawberry smoothie. It's really hot over here where I live, so I wanted to share this with you before winter arrives. I made it in a very simple and healthy way. I didn't add any sugar. I used only 8 ingredients. I am blending everything. I am using strawberries, yogurt, bananas, dates, raisins, coconut water, sabudana, which is sago, and fresheners powder. The main ingredients is sago. After everything is blended, pour coconut water into a jug. Add sago, pour strawberry mixture into jug. I added strawberry ice cubes to make the smoothie extra beautiful. This smoothie is perfect in the summer. আমাদের এখানে এখনো গরম আছে, তাই ভাবলাম শীতকাল আসার আগেই তোমাদের সাথে একটু শেয়ার করি, আর তাই শেয়ার করে ফেললাম. Should try now my delicious refreshing strawberry smoothie is ready to serve. Enjoy!